Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 quick and clever hacks to fix the most common gel nail problems, all in one go. From gel dripping everywhere, to tips popping off, or peel-off base that just won't peel, these simple tricks will totally change the game. They'll help make your gel nails easier, faster, and way more stress-free. It's a short, snappy video, so stick around till the end. Okay, let's get started. First up, what to do when your gel is too runny. If you've ever tried doing nail extensions with tips and your gel just oozes out or drips everywhere, yeah, been there. It's messy, and it can even cause allergies if it gets on your skin. Here's the fix. Mix in a bit of acrylic powder. It helps thicken your gel into a putty-like texture, so it won't drip anymore. Plus, it's easier to shape and cures even harder than regular gel. Next, how to keep those extension tips from popping off. Nail extensions using tips are super popular right now, but they can come off too easily if you skip this step, sanding the back. Use a nail drill to lightly file the inside of the tip. That's it. This boosts adhesion like crazy. If you don't have a drill, try pre-sanded tips. They cost a bit more but save you time and effort. Perfect for beginners or anyone who struggles with tips not staying on. Next, got weak, bendy nails? This next hack will help you build thickness and strength. Again, it's acrylic powder to the rescue. Just sprinkle a little over uncured gel and cure it. It adds structure without bulk, and it's tough. Acrylic powder is even used in dental products. Great for anyone looking to level up nail strength. Next, peel-off base is awesome for quick removal. But sometimes it's stubborn, right? Here's a trick. Apply a tiny bit of cuticle oil to your nail before the base coat. Just a light touch in the center. Don't overdo it. This makes peeling it off way smoother later on. Last one. How to stop gel from sliding into the sides. You're painting carefully and then, oops, it's flooding the edges. Here's the fix. Before your main coat, draw a thin wall around the edge of your nail with a fine brush. Flash cure it. That gel barrier keeps everything right where you want it. So that's it. 5 smart hacks to make your gel nail game smoother and better. Everything I used today is easy to find and perfect for any skill level. If you want deeper tutorials, check out the links in the description. I've got full videos on each of these tips. Thanks so much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more video like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye!